welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet always and ride safe. Today we have an interesting update on Royal Enfield Scram 411. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. One of the most awaited new bikes this year, Royal Enfield Scram 411, has been launched today, at a competitive price point. It does not have any direct rival currently, which is a significant advantage. While Himalayan is a true blue adventure bike, Scram 411 is more versatile. It has capabilities to dominate city streets as well as tackle mild to moderate off-road environments. Royal Enfield says the technical term for this new motorcycle is ADV crossover, but they like to call it Scram. Scram 411 will appeal to folks who are looking for an all-purpose bike with ADV characteristics. It is priced from 2.03 rupees lakh and goes till 2.08 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. All prices are ex-showroom. Prices are as per the color option you select. The bike is available in graphite blue, graphite red, graphite yellow, blazing black, skyline blue, white flame, silver spirit color options. Himalayan does not fulfill that need, as it's not suitable for city streets. In comparison, Scram 411 will make everyday commutes a lot more fun, and also allow explorations beyond city limits. To make it possible, the bike has been equipped with block-patterned dual-purpose tires at both ends. Another advantage is that Scram 411 is lighter, as compared to Himalayan. It does not get Himalayan's signature exoskeleton, which comprises dedicated luggage racks at front and rear. Being lightweight makes Scram 411 more agile, which will be useful in city ride conditions. It gets a single-piece grab rail at the rear. Talking about styling, Scram 411 has a retro profile, with features such as a round headlamp, rear view mirrors, wire spoke wheels, and a wide rear fender. Other key features include a single-piece seat, upswept exhaust, rugged engine guard, and multi-display instrument cluster. The bike is available with exciting dual-tone color options. For a sporty look, rim edges have the same shade as used in the respective color theme. With its centrally placed foot pegs, Scram 411 is expected to offer comfortable riding ergonomics. In an off-road environment, the raised handlebar ensures that users are able to ride the bike standing up. Low, scoop seat design ensures optimal balance and handling across varied terrains. Scram 411 gets the same 411 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder motor, coupled with a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox. Power output is rated at 24.3 bhp while peak torque is at 32 nanometers. Being lightweight and with a compact profile, Scram 411 has the capabilities to zip through city streets. The powerful engine has ample torque for challenging terrain. The suspension system comprises telescopic forks at the front and linkage rear suspension. Braking duties are performed by disc brakes at both ends with dual-channel ABS as standard. The bike has 19-inch and 17-inch wheels at the front and rear, respectively. In comparison, Himalayan has a larger 21-inch front wheel. Ground clearance is 200 mm, which is pretty decent for dirt tracks. It remains to be seen how rival OEMs respond to Scram 411. Himalayan has been challenged by the recently launched Yezdi Adventure, and something similar could be possible for Scram 411 as well. Road-biased ADVs are gaining popularity, which is likely to attract other two-wheeler manufacturers in the near future. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.